Hi, boys and girls. So we're doing topic 12.2, using customary units of capacity. So that's one of our vocabulary words. Capacity just means, I'm going to put it here, the amount a container can hold. Okay, so capacity just means the amount a container can hold. So it wants us to, it's saying match the following items with the most appropriate unit of measurement, okay? So they're giving us a mug of hot chocolate. So I got a picture of a mug of hot chocolate. A jug of milk. So I have a jug of milk. A carton of orange juice. I have it here. And a bottle of water. I have it here, okay? So I made pictures on here so that way we have a better idea of what they look like. So I need to match them to their appropriate units, okay? I need to see which one's a gallon, which one's a pint, which one's a cup, and which one's a quart, okay? So I'm going to do the first on my list, which is a mug of hot chocolate. So it's this one, okay? So if we look, a mug of hot chocolate is just in a cup, okay? It's in a regular cup. So that just tells you right there that for this one, it would be cup, okay? And cup is right here. So I'm going to put a star. I used that one already. Okay, our next one on the list is a jug of milk. So this, let me zoom in. This is what a jug of milk looks like, okay? So I'm sure your parents go to H-E-B. They buy this kind of milk, a jug of milk, okay? This right here, this is really big, okay? This is a lot of milk. It's really big, so this would be the biggest one here, which is a gallon, okay? This would be called a gallon of milk. So I'm going to put here gallon. Okay, I used it. Next one is a carton of orange juice. So we have it here, okay? A carton of orange juice is pretty much half of a gallon of milk, okay? So it's a little bit smaller than a gallon, but it's way more than a cup of chocolate milk, okay? So this carton of milk, this would be a quart, okay? So up here, I'm going to put quart. Okay, I'm going to put a star on this one. And my last one is a bottle of water, okay? This is a bottle of water. This is the last one, the smallest one. This is a pint. Okay, put a star there. So now if we take the time to look at this, we'll notice that a gallon is the biggest one, okay? And if you look here, you compare them, you can see this has more liquid than all of these, okay? The smallest one is a cup, okay? And as you can see, the cup has less liquid inside of it than the water, the orange juice, and the milk, okay? The second biggest one is a quart, okay? It's less than a gallon of milk, but it's more than a bottle of water and more than a cup of chocolate milk, okay? The third one is a bottle of water. It's less than a quart and a gallon, but it's more than a cup. Okay, so just to number it, this is, I'm going to order it from big to small. Okay, this is the first one. This is the biggest. This is the second biggest, third biggest, and fourth biggest. Okay, so remember, the gallon is the biggest, a cup is the smallest. Okay, after a gallon is a quart, after a quart is a pint, and then it's a cup. Okay, so that is using customary units of capacity.